What's up, y'all? This is Duana, aka Glamazon1026, and I'm back with another nail video. I hope you like this. Stay tuned and see what it looks like. So we are back. Today we are using black-owned acrylic companies. So the first is Plugged Acrylic, and I'm going to be using the shade Macchiato. Then we have Dime Acrylic, and this is Caramel. And then we have Nail Supply Glamour. This isn't black-owned, but I just needed a big jar of clear, so I'm going to be using that. So first I'm going to put down a layer of clear acrylic, just because I'm not sure if these two colored acrylics are core powders, and core powders are usually just stronger than regular colored acrylic powders, so you can use them by themselves. So I'm just going to put down the clear just in case, so that we don't have any lifting or breaking. It's just like a really thin layer of clear. Then I'm going to start with Caramel, and I'm going to put that down on my pinky, and this is going to be a full caramel nail. My scarf makes an appearance sometimes, a lot actually in this video, guys, so bear with me. I wasn't paying attention. Anyway, I'm going to put a little bit on the tip to just build that nail up a little bit. And I love this color. I really do. I think it's perfect for the season. Next, I'm going to pick up a bead of the Macchiato by Plugged, and I'm going to do an ombre nail with this. So it's going to be the Macchiato at the bottom, and then Caramel at the top. I'm getting better with acrylic ombre, but I still think I need to practice a little bit more. I keep having to go back over each one with, like, each color with the other color, because I feel like I blended out too much, but that's how the second one ended up. This third finger is going to be a full Macchiato. And honestly, y'all, I really love how the Plugged acrylics lay. They are so buttery and so smooth. Like, the beads are amazing. It's just super easy to use. I love them. I wish they came in bigger jars. And then this one, I believe it's going to be fully the caramel again. Yes, I tried to do a reverse ombre, but I didn't like that, so I just put caramel all over it. And then the thumb is going to be a caramel ombre. So caramel is going to be at the top, and then the Macchiato is going to be at the bottom. This set really didn't take me that long to do. Surprisingly, I'm getting quicker. Well, not surprisingly, but I'm getting quicker, and so that's good. And plus, this is fairly easy. There's no like marbling or anything like that, so it's not going to take that long. But look how pretty that looks. Now I'm just going to go over everything with another coat of clear, just so that I'm not taking off any of the colored powder when I file, because I have to hand file and then e-file, and I don't want any of the colored powder to come off. So we're just going to put a layer of clear acrylic on top. And then we're just gonna go in with this 100-180 grit file. I don't really like this file. I got it from the beauty supply store, and I don't know, something with I don't know, it was just really difficult for me to file that day. So that's why you only see me filing half of the hand. I really wanted to do this set because I wanted to work on my coffin shaping. Because I don't want to say I got stiletto shapes down, the stiletto shape down, but I really need to work on my coffin shaping. There goes my scarf again, y'all. I'm sorry. Then we're going to go over with my e-file. I got a new drill bit. I think it's called the tornado bit. And it's really good for fine detailing. But you know, my favorite is still the cuticle safe bit, and so I'm going to switch back to that. Getting all the acrylic out from underneath my nail. Sometimes I still use too much monomer and it runs, so. I also really like cleaning up like my filing with the cuticle, with the e-file. It just makes my line super sharp and it takes away any like rough edges. Like, I love it. Then I'm going to use this buffer to just buff any scratches out and, you know, get all the sharp edges off. And I'm using this wax pencil and some gems just to kind of like plot out what I want, what design I want on my hand, because I like it, but I feel like it needs something and I want to work on my gem placement. So I'm just looking to see like if there's a design I like or something, and then I'm going to transfer that to my hand. So to use the gel, to secure the gems, I have some bling gel that I got from Amazon. I'm just going to put a little bit down and place the gem on top, and then do that for each nail. And then when I finish, I'm going to put it in the lamp for a minute, I believe. Then I am going to put on my Glitter Bells glossy coat, top coat. This is a no white top coat. I really wanted to keep these matte, but I could not find my matte top coat, so I had to settle for the glossy top coat. But they came out pretty cute. I really like them. Now I'm going to put on my Loved by Verdi Passion Fruit and Guava Cuticle Oil. This is another Black-owned company, so I was really excited about that. And this cuticle oil smells so good, y'all. Don't laugh at my pinky. My pinky, I almost cut my pinky off cleaning the house earlier. There was something that was broken and I didn't realize, and it sliced right through my pinky, and so I couldn't get my pinky done. But once they're healed, I did my pinky, okay? And here's the finished look. So if you guys like these, don't be scared to, you know, double tap that thumb button down below. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you know exactly when I'm uploading, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.